I can't wait to share with you one of my top secrets, which is using the seed parameter. Now, why are we using this parameter? It is because we are creating some consistent images today. These are the images that you create where the character looks very similar as to make your audience feel that it is the same person. A great storytelling strategy. It is done with -- seed and then the seed number. This seed parameter helps you clone an image from its original source so that you are likely to get a more consistent image just like from the source image. You can find the seed number by hovering over the forum post top right corner. Click Add Reaction and find the envelope emoji, which will give you the seed number. I know, it sounds more complicated than it really is. So let's do a demonstration together, okay? Let's say you accidentally created the love of your life, and she shows up like this. Beautiful and gorgeous, right? So, how do you clone her and make more images like her? We can go to the top right-hand corner, and we'll see a button that says Add Reaction. Click on it, and you can type in the word envelope. Pick the first envelope emoji that shows up. Now you can see we have sent ourselves a letter. Now we can go into our inbox, go into the Unread tab and find the image. It will tell you the prompt that was used to create it, the job ID, and most importantly, the seed number. So now we can go back into Midjourney, use the same prompt as before, so we are more likely to get the same type of image. The prompt was elegant woman in a sleek black dress sitting at a poker table surrounded by golden chips and cards. And at the end of the prompt, write -- seed space and the seed number. And then you can wait for the AI to try and clone the love of your life, and you cross your fingers and pray that AI won't mess up. And in a few seconds, you see, voila, the girl on the lower right-hand corner looks very much like her, right? Let's upscale and do a comparison. Oh, wow. Wouldn't you agree? It really do look like it's almost the same person. The hair is a little different. The eye is a little lighter, but it's the same person. Or at least her twin. Cool, right? So that is the power of using the seed parameter. You can only get the seed number from images that you create. You can't get the seed number from other people's images. So don't try to clone someone else's girlfriend, okay? Clone only your girlfriend. Are you having fun? Great. Creating AI images is supposed to be fun. Here's another example of using seed, except it's with our green dragon that we created earlier. This is the original photo. If we send ourselves an envelope, we'll get the seed number for this image. And if we wanted to, we can change the prompt to red dragon in the forest using the seed number of this original photo. Want to see how it turns out? Here we go. A pretty close selection to the original green dragon, right? Using this seed parameter is pretty helpful when you're trying to create more consistent images of the same character for a children's book, for example. Remember, AI is random sometimes, so if the image doesn't come out the way you want it to, redo it several times, and it should be somewhat closer than if you didn't use the seed value.